Gnotec Group is a leading international manufacturer of metal components to the demanding automotive and commercial vehicle industry. Our products are found in premium cars, trucks and safety systems. With over 70 years working in the automotive industry and with operations in Europe, China and the US, we offer our customers top quality products and services. Our core strength lies in our high level of tooling competence and process know-how in automized stamping, welding and assembly. Stamping is done by advanced progression or transfer tools in servo presses, combined with robotized spot, resistance and arc welding in flexible cells. High automation together with lean manufacturing, continuous improvement and zero defect principles are our DNA at each site. This, together with world-class employees and competence, we can guarantee our customers high quality and high productivity. We manufacture a wide range of products, such as body-in-white components for cars, safety parts for airbags, and chassis structures for trucks. Demanding items such as body-in-white components in high-strength steel require thorough knowledge of process parameters, material properties, and tool design. We therefore use simulations to optimize the product for best performance. We are a trustful, reliable, and long-term business partner, working closely with our customers, having the optimum solutions as our common goal. We at Gnotec Group are a skilled, proud and confident team ready to step up to any challenge from the customers. We are well prepared to find simple and elegant solutions for complex problems. Keep it simple. Choose Gnotec for your next project.